Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Wi-Fi in our Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest way to turn off Wi-Fi is to swipe from the top, and our Wi-Fi should be by default right here. We simply tap it once and now our network is disconnected. But if this option is not here, we need to go to settings, connections, and here it is, our Wi-Fi option. We simply tap it once and now it's disconnected. Of course, if we want to change our network, we need to select different one, enter password, and connect right here to switch networks. We can also choose to auto reconnect after enabling Wi-Fi or not. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.